How to test for flowers. Hello, I'm Floyd Grace. My focus is energy. Flower energy is nature's healing gift for spiritual alignment and enlightenment. Their energetic vibration over time resets your energy body to its natural state of perfection. Flower frequencies heal and restore natural balance through energetic vibration by tuning the mental, emotional, and physical bodies to align with your perfect spiritual template. Every flower has an individual energetic construction that addresses a different imbalance in the energy field, just as every individual has a different set of imbalances. We are all on a life path, and we all have obstacles and hurdles. They are part of our learning curve as we strive to perfect our being and enter into the highest level of love and fulfillment. The path is not easy, but it is possible, and flowers are meant to be part of the equation. Their essence dissolves the blocks that formed in our personality and character during the programming of our infancy and childhood, where we acquired beliefs, formative rules, and regulations, which became a part of each one of us. But unfortunately, many of the taught traits and habits undermined the foundations of our lives and imprisoned us in unnecessary habitual patterns and responses that negatively affect our lives and well-being. This is where flowers come in, to clarify your path and release detrimental patterning that blocks our progress, fulfillment, and enlightenment. The question is, how do we find the exact flowers that unlock our individual barriers? How to use your testing while standing. Begin by standing up straight, both feet together. Put your left hand on your heart, then raise your right arm to extend straight out to the side. Close your eyes and ask your heart if this flower is needed. Say the name of the flower. For example, arnica. Ask, do I need arnica? If your energy body needs this flower for balance, you will be pulled forward. If not, you will be pushed backward. Go through the list of flowers one at a time. Make a list of the flowers that pull you. This list will be your path of flowers. Once you have finished the list, you will ask the order of the flowers your energy body needs for balancing and healing. Go through the list again, asking, which flower do I need first? Then put a 1 next to the name. Continue asking for second, third, etc. until you have a number for each flower on your list. When you are ready to begin this path, have a journal to record your experiences, thoughts, memories, dreams, reactions, etc. Most flowers require 1 to 3 days to dissolve basic issues, but when you get down to the more profound issues that stubbornly plague your life through its control over actions, self-belief, and self-image, and ultimately the manifestation of the negative and painful aspects of your life, these very pivotal flowers will take a much longer time to unravel the neuroses and imbalances created in your energy body. One of my friends needed 4 months to release the program that created terrible pain and suffering in her life. 4 months. So be patient. It takes as long as it takes. Take the path 1 day at a time. Ask your heart, do I need this flower today? If it says yes, listen to the frequency, or wear the frequency, or take the essence. When you get a no, ask if you are ready for the next flower. Continue in this vein until you have journaled yourself through your path of flowers. Be open to changes. Stay in a sacred heart space as much as possible and as often. Be aware of your inner being and your inner space as the sacred soul of being. And trust the spirit of the flower. It will guide your soul back into sacred balance. The path of flowers is a healing journey that cleanses and repairs your aura as the sphere of your energy body. Each flower is different. Each person is different. Each flower addresses a different aspect of the whole. Your flowers will, over time, cleanse your energetic impurities and rebalance your body-mind. Be patient and attentive to the changes that are taking place. Familiarize yourself with properties of each flower before you apply it to your energetic being, and watch for every change in that aspect of your energy, be it in thoughts, feelings, memories, reactions, actions, beliefs, etc. Allow holistic changes and be aware of your capacity to accept, forgive, and love yourself and others. List of flower frequencies: African violet, agrimony, aloe vera, alpine lily, angel's trumpet, angelica, arnica, aspen, baby blue eyes, basil, beech, black cohosh, black-eyed Susan, blackberry, bleeding heart, borage, buttercup, calendula, California pitcher plant, California poppy, California wild rose, calla lily, canyon dudleya, cayenne, century, serrato, chamomile, chaparral, cherry plum, chestnut bud, chicory, chrysanthemum, clematis, corn, cosmos, crab apple, dandelion, deerbrush, dill, dogwood, Easter lily, echinacea, elm, evening primrose, fairy lantern, fawn lily, filigree, 5-flower formula, forget-me-not, fuchsia, garlic, gentian, golden eardrops, golden yarrow, goldenrod, gorse, heather, hibiscus, holly, honeysuckle, hornbeam, hound's tongue, impatience, Indian paintbrush, Indian pink, iris, lady slipper, larch, larkspur, lotus, love lies bleeding, madia, mallow, manzanita, mariposa lily, milkweed, mimulus, morning glory, mountain pennyroyal, mountain pride, mugwort, mullein, mustard, nasturtium, nicotiana, oak, olive, Oregon grape, penstemon, peppermint, pine, pink monkey flower, pink yarrow, poison oak, pomegranate, pretty face, purple monkey flower, quaking grass, Queen Anne's lace, quince, rabbit brush, red chestnut, red clover, rock rose, rock water, rosemary, sage, sagebrush, saguaro, St. John's wort, scarlet monkey flower, scleranthus, Scotch broom, self-heal, Shasta daisy, shooting star, snapdragon, star of Bethlehem, star thistle, star tulip, stinky monkey flower, sunflower, sweet chestnut, sweet pea, tansy, tiger lily, trillium, trumpet vine, vervain, vine, violet, walnut, water violet, white chestnut, wild oat, wild rose, willow, yarrow, zinnia, rescue remedy, lavender. I do not have yellow star tulip, so I combined California poppy and deerbrush as light potion number 9. It is more powerful than the yellow star tulip. We are extraordinary beings with tremendous power. We have the ability to discern beyond our conscious mind. We have extraordinary abilities within our spirit. When we know how to communicate with it, many doors open to us and we are allowed to pass into deeper dimensions of knowing and doing. When we gain access to our door of energetic being, we can heal our energy body and transcend the bonds of the programming that locked us into a pre-designed state of being that lies in the drama of love and hate, right and wrong, life and death. Few people ever escape it. Some do, and they ascend first to a plateau of clarity where they receive the sight of divine guidance. If they then can grasp that all they see is illusion, they can progress to the plateau of power where they can achieve anything. But because they know it is all an illusion and their power is hollow, they seek the next plateau, knowledge, the dimension of eternal mind, the ultimate plateau of the soul's expression. With the soul, one step leads into the next and the next. The soul knows the importance of time and the impact of each step, for the soul incarnates into a being where it must pass through the karmas the unenlightened being both inherits and creates, subject to the programming he or she received. Programming passed down by family, friends, and society. Born into programs are karmic mechanisms. The soul is bent on positive evolution to consciously transform its being into pure light and release from the material belief of existence before its time runs out and must return for subsequent incarnations. Material existence is trapped in material duality. That is a lower vibrational plane, subject to the duality of pain and pleasure in equal amounts. The soul seeks release to enter higher vibrational states of experience and existence, to experience the radiant clarity of being that is not subject to the ravages of pain or the fantasy of pleasure, but to reside in realms of perfect love, at peace, as an equanimous being, neither alone nor apart. This is the trajectory of the soul. We are all one. That is the realization of this state that separates us. When we are caught in duality, we are separate from our holistic being. That is a mindset program. Without that program held in our conscious mind, we are able to act from holistic knowing. This is what our body acts from the holistic being, which includes the boundless knowing of our singular conscious being. That is what we draw from when we ask our heart. Our heart guides us towards love and life. You can ask your heart anything. If you allow it, it will answer all your questions, but maybe not the answers you want to hear. If you liked this video, please press the like button. If you want to experience more transformational videos, please subscribe. If you want to transform the world, please share. Thank you. This has been an eDojo Spiritual Arts production.